What if I told you that a machine can create stunning artwork in just a few seconds? Sounds impossible, right? For thousands of years, art has been one of humanity's most unique abilities. From ancient cave paintings to modern digital masterpieces, creativity has always been considered something that makes us human. But now, artificial intelligence is changing everything. Today, AI can generate paintings, illustrations, and realistic images in seconds. Some AI-generated artworks have even won competitions, leaving people shocked and asking one important question. Can AI actually create better art than humans? Today, we're putting AI and human artists head-to-head to find out who really wins. Let's begin. First, let's talk about speed. Imagine giving both a human artist and an AI the exact same challenge. Create a futuristic supercar in a cyberpunk city. A human artist starts with a blank canvas. They begin brainstorming ideas. Then comes the rough sketch. After that, they refine the shapes, adjust the proportions, and add details. Hours can pass before the artwork starts looking complete. Now let's see what AI does. A user types a simple prompt. Create a futuristic supercar in a neon cyberpunk city at night. The AI processes the request. 3 seconds later, the image is finished. Detailed reflections, cinematic lighting, complex backgrounds, and photorealistic quality. The speed difference is incredible. A task that could take a human artist several hours is completed by AI in just a few seconds. So when it comes to speed, AI clearly wins this round. But art isn't only about speed. It's about creativity. And this is where things get interesting. Many people believe AI isn't truly creative. Why? Because AI doesn't have emotions. It doesn't have childhood memories. It doesn't dream. It doesn't experience happiness, heartbreak, fear, or excitement. Instead, AI learns by studying millions of existing images. It recognizes patterns. It understands styles. And it combines information in new ways. But human artists create from personal experiences. A human artist can paint a memory from childhood. They can express emotions through colors and brush strokes. They can tell stories that come directly from their lives. This emotional connection is something AI struggles to replicate. AI can imitate creativity. Humans can feel creativity. And that's a huge difference. Now let's move to the quality test. This is where the competition becomes surprisingly close. When people look at AI-generated artwork today, many are amazed. The images are sharp. The lighting is realistic. The details are extraordinary. Sometimes the results look like they came from a professional artist with years of experience. Meanwhile, human-created artwork often contains small imperfections. But those imperfections can make the art feel more authentic and personal. Interestingly, in several online experiments, people were shown AI-generated art and human-created art side by side. Many participants couldn't tell the difference. Some even preferred the AI artwork. That shows just how advanced this technology has become. But there is also a growing controversy. Many artists are worried. They fear that AI could replace creative jobs. If businesses can generate artwork in seconds, what happens to graphic designers, illustrators, and concept artists? It's a valid concern. However, others see AI differently. They believe AI is simply another tool. Just like cameras didn't replace painters. Just like computers didn't replace writers. AI may become a powerful assistant rather than a replacement. Artists can use AI to generate ideas, create concepts, and speed up their workflow while still adding their own creativity and personal touch. In that future, AI and humans won't be competing. They'll be collaborating. And maybe that's the most exciting possibility of all. So who wins? AI is faster. AI is cheaper. AI can generate incredible images in seconds. But humans bring emotion, experience, imagination, and personal stories. The truth is, AI may be changing the world of art forever, but human creativity remains something truly special. Perhaps the future isn't AI versus humans. Perhaps the future is AI and humans working together to create things neither could make alone. Now it's your turn. Who do you think wins this battle? Team Human or Team AI? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos about technology, artificial intelligence, and the future of our world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.